Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. The integral of the square root of 2 to 2 of 1 over x square root of x squared minus 1 dx, and we then evaluate this definite integral. Well, this looks exactly like an inverse trig formula here, definition. And this is the inverse for secant. So this lines up perfectly to be, when we take the integral, the arcsecant of the absolute value of x here. Now instead of a plus c, using the fundamental theorem of calculus, we go from the square root of 2 to positive 2. So what are we doing? We're going to take our integral, secant of negative 1, capital F, of the 2, and subtract that, same thing we plug in the square root of 2 in. Okay? So let's go do that. Arcsecant of 2, absolute value of 2, minus, here, arcsecant of the absolute value of the square root of 2, right there. Okay. Well, the arcsecant of the absolute value of 2 comes out to be a pi over 3. The arcsecant of the square root of 2, the absolute value of square root of 2, is a pi over 4. Pretty easy. Pi over 3 minus pi over 4 is a pi over 12. And that approximately, in case you want that, is a 0.262 in decimal form. But I prefer pi over 12, right there. And there we have it. Our integral from square root of 2 to 2 of our function is a pi over 12. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.